This is Algarve Shopping here in Guia. It's near Albufiera. The weather is bad today, so we decided to visit this beautiful shopping mall. Let's start our walkthrough here in this entrance. Look at this. I love this mall a lot. These palm trees here and green plants around mostly are newly addition. Up is the restaurant. Let's go up first. Look at that. Oh, they still have the Christmas tree. Look at this. Go this way. Let's go to the Let's go to their restaurants area. We will check inside what we can eat for lunch. So what do you have here? They have fast food. They have pizza. They have also typical Portuguese food and other things. Terrazzo mas. They have also outdoor. You can eat also outside. Outdoor smoking area siguro ni diri. Let's going to, there is a stairway going to the parking. Let's see. It must be nice also to eat here al fresco when the weather is okay. Let's go back inside. We will choose pizza for our lunch today. I will. Okay. Nice. Speta. Okay, it's nice here. They have also cinema here. Andiamo di là, the other side. Over there. It's nice to have an al fresco place where you can hang out. And then they have also charging points, so you can relax here too. We go here. No, not here. Dila. Dila. This one here is nice. Everybody are working this before. Look Look at that. Ah, where there are chairs, and then you can also charge. Algarve Shopping. Look at that. Nice siya nga. It's really a nice place to shop and relax as well. I prefer this mall than the one in Faro, the Forum. Now let's go down and check what they have there. The grocery, a big one, is down there too. There is an alley there. I think there is a fish. Here, you see the fish. Nice ito, no? Small. You can sit here. Oh, there are a lot of fish.
You're not drinking.
Oh, of course. Somebody drink. Finally, this one here is finished because last year when we came here, they are still working in this project here, and it turns out so nice. This grocery is really big. Very big. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.